And we're back. So, got a handy screw here. We'll put it in a scrap of wood. And you'd like to see how this thing... Okay. Show how much power this bad boy has. Oh, it would help if I went... Well, there you have it, folks. Whoops, actually we kind of did this wrong here. Well, that's stupid. That is all. Folks, I was not prepared for this tonight. So, that kind of demonstrate how a screw works on there, and now we'll get a drill bit. And we'll demonstrate how well this thing drills. And we'll just do a nice tonight. So other way. And it also has two settings. A lower setting for kind of like see how much. And now we'll try the high power setting. Just to demonstrate how well that a lot of your contractors back in the day bought these, and a lot of your carpenters, and so we're gonna take that bit out, put the original one back in that it came with. Now we're gonna take the old screw back out. So this is an iCAD battery, and originally when we got it, batteries would not charge because it has a newer style battery charger, and I will pull it out. This is the style battery charger. You got your typical 2-prong cord. This is serial number 935A69718, 1937. It's a Power Plus charger, and got two tabs on the bottom of this drill. You push those in, and the battery slides out like this. And your battery slides in there like this. And what happens is when you don't use these old batteries for a very long time, you build a lot of crystals up on the batteries themselves. And then I got a little secret to how I do that, but I won't reveal that until later on. So I'll unplug this. So green indicates that the battery is fully charged, and when you pull it off, the light kind of disenergizes. Since we don't need that on, we'll put this one back in. And you also got different torque settings here for different screws and holes, so you don't strip your screw or strip your hole out, which is real typical for a drill. So if you like what you saw on this video, please leave a comment, like and don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you for always watching.